Are you looking for an affordable telephoto lens for your Sony camera? This SEL 55 to 210mm has been around for years, but is it still a good choice for beginners in 2025? Let's find out if this budget-friendly zoom lens is still worth the money or if you have to look elsewhere. Let's go! Okay, first up, let's talk about the build quality. The SEL 55 210 is pretty lightweight at just around 355 grams, making it perfect for carrying around on hikes or while traveling. The exterior is mostly plastic, but it still feels quite sturdy. One thing I like is that the zoom ring is smooth and easy to adjust, although the manual focus ring is a bit narrow and less satisfying to use. Overall, the compact design makes it a great travel companion. And this telephoto zoom lens is a Sony E-mount lens for APS-C cameras, which is one of the reasons why it is so lightweight and compact. But let's dive into the specs quickly. The Sony lens offers a zoom range from 55mm to 210mm, which is great for wildlife, sports and even portrait shots. The aperture ranges from f4.5 to f6.3, which means it's decent in bright lighting conditions, but struggles a bit in low light environments. It does come with optical steady shot, which helps stabilize your shots, especially at longer focal lengths. That's a big plus for handheld photography. Autofocus is quick and reliable for photos, but may lag slightly when shooting fast-moving subjects. So, how does the image quality hold up? Let's take a look at some sample shots. Here we go. At 55mm, images are sharp with good detail in the center. As you zoom to 210mm, sharpness slightly drops, especially at the edges. Color reproduction is decent with natural tones and minimal chromatic aberration, though you might notice some fringing in high contrast scenes. And back to this picture, the bokeh at 210mm is smooth but not as creamy as you would get from a prime lens, of course, but to be honest, for this price it is already not that bad, I think. And for videos, the SEL 55 210 performs surprisingly well. The optical steady shot helps keep footage stable, but you will need good lighting to avoid noise. That's the key point when evaluating its performance in low light conditions. This lens is certainly not the best choice for night photography due to its aperture. Noise in your photos is sometimes inevitable, but you can reduce it in post-processing. However, I personally found it quite difficult to get sharp images in poor lighting conditions with this lens. Overall, I see its strengths more in well-lit environments. Alright, so now the question is, who should consider this lens? I would say it's perfect for beginners who want an affordable telephoto zoom for travel, wildlife or casual portrait photography. If you are someone who primarily shoots in daylight and wants a lightweight lens for occasional telephoto shots, this is a solid choice. However, if you're a professional or you shoot a lot in low light, you will probably want to invest in something with a wider aperture and better sharpness at the long end. And for every Sony APS-C camera user, the Sony 70 to 350mm offers superior sharpness and reach, but it's almost triple the price. Third-party options from Sigma and Tamron might be worth looking into if you want better image quality at a similar price point. So, is the Sony SEL 55 210 worth it for beginners? I would say yes. If you are on a budget and looking for a versatile, lightweight zoom lens for outdoor shooting, it's not perfect, but for the price, it delivers solid performance. If you're ready to spend a bit more, there are definitely sharper and faster options out there. And for me, it was my first telephoto lens and it helped me get into telephoto photography without breaking the bank. Additionally, it delivers quite decent results. I'm repeating myself, don't I? Alright, that's it! What do you think about this zoom lens? Have you used it before? Let me know in the comment section below and don't forget to CLS, comment, like and subscribe if you want to not miss any upcoming videos. And yeah, I guess it's time to say goodbye again. Thanks a lot and see you next time. Bye bye.